Dear students, today we are going to start our third session of our chapter, that is the surfing internet. Earlier in the last two sessions we had discussed with that what is the meaning of surfing internet, what is the meaning of a world wide web, its multimedia, real time communication, and how do you need to set up Skype. So our next session that is related with our blogging. Basically, a blog is an easy to create website that allows users to share their thoughts with the world. So the word blog comes from the word weblog. Why? Because a blog consists of a signed and dated log of an individual postings. So the topic of the blog can be anything from a personal or from a professional. So blog is what you have to make of it. So blogging can be an interactive activity. This is the introduction part of a blogging. So a blogging is a type of website or a part of a website. Blogs are basically used to maintain by an individual within regular entities regarding their comments, description of events, materials like graphics, videos, photos, etc. So most of the blogs are interactive and allowing the visitors to leave a comment and even a message on their photos, videos, etc. So why are blogs so popular? Basically, blogs are quickly indexed by search engines. Blogs are easy to access and update. You can also edit new content on a blog instantly by viewing their comments. Big followers are encouraged to return on the weblog as a result of frequent updates. So you don't need to be a web designer or a web expert. You have to only create and maintain a blog. So blog is an easy way to share your family happenings, home movies, favorite recipes, latest products, your photos, videos, etc. So these are the various reasons that blogs are why so much popular. There are different types of blogs are available. First one is the personal blog. Basically, personal blog is an ongoing diary or an commentary by an individual related to its tradition, photos, etc. So personal bloggers usually take a pride in their blog post. Second one is the corporate and an organizational blog. This blog can provide a most cases related with our business purposes. So here if we can show our business ad, we can use this type of blog, that is the corporate and organizational blog. Our third one is the by genre blog. Some blogs focus on a particular subject such as the political blogs, travel blogs, house blogs, recipes blog, fashion blogs, etc. So we can use this type of blog when we can add our blog. Now fourth one is the by media. A blog comprising videos is called a vlog. So one comprising links is called a link long. A site containing a portfolio of sketches is called a sketch blog. And it also consists of various types of photos is called a photo blog. So this is the introduction part of by media blog. Our next type is the by device. Blogs can also be defined by which type of device is used to compose. A blog is written by a mobile device like a mobile phone, PDA. You can also call a blog. So these are the various types of blogs. Now our next question arises that how we can create a blog. If we want to create a blog, we should follow these steps. First of all, sign into Blogger. On the left, click on the down arrow. Now click a new blog. After clicking a new blog, enter a name for your blog. Click next, then choose a blog address for a URL and then click save and then you can post your blog. If you want to create a blog, first of all, you should have an account. So open the site from www.blogger.com. The Blogger site will open. Then you can create a blog with the Blogger site by entering your email address and your password. Now, after signing you using your Gmail username and password, now you will get this type of screen that welcome to Blogger screen. The display page gives you two options to create your profile. First one is the Google Plus profile or a Blogger profile. So you have to click on create a limited Blogger profile button. Now then afterwards you have to sign up for the Blogger. So you have to again enter your email address and your name, and then you have to click on the orange button which says that continue. Now after entering your name, then you have to select your title relating to your blog. Then after selecting a title, you have to write your blog, and after writing your blog you can post your blog. After posting your blog, you can viewing a blog. In the viewing of a blog, you can easily see the comments that was given by your family members and your friends. Now in the last, when you want to sign out, then you have to click on the sign out button. So this is the process that how you can create a blog. Basically, blog is used by an celebrities. Like there are various types of celebrities where they can use the blogs to share their photos, pictures, comments, etc.